Good morning, students. Welcome to this YouTube live streaming sponsored by Government of Odisha in School and Mass Education Department. My dear students, I am Baradar Behura, Headmaster Gopalpur High School, Ranpur from Nagaur district. Today we are going to discuss a very good chapter. The first chapter of your communicative English textbook, a beautiful story, The Priceless Gift. So, my dear students, you look at the screen. The Priceless Gift part 1 we will be discussing today, and you can find a number of gifts on this screen. You see, your left side, you have a number of gifts, birthday gifts or gifts for marriage ceremony, and to your right, you can also see gifts in different manners. The mother is kissing her child. She is giving this gift, beautiful gift. The father is blessing his son on his birthday, and on the top you can find some nice, beautiful flowers. My dear students, the gifts which are to the left side, in the left side box, they are usually collected or bought in the market. But the gifts to your left side box and on the top the flowers, they are available. They are not bought. They are with your parents, with our elders, and they are also available in the nature. And they will not give any money to buy these gifts. And they are really more valuable than the gifts which you will buy in the market. So, these gifts, the blessing of the parents to the children, the flowers which are available, the pictures drawn by your friends on your birthday, they are really very more valuable than the costly gifts available in the market. And these gifts, the parents' blessing, the flowers, the pictures which are drawn by your friends, these are really priceless gifts. Today, we are going to discuss a very good story in which you can find a sister sends priceless gift, the most costly, precious gift to his brother. Right? So, ପିଲାମାନେ ତମେ ଯେମିତି ଡ୍ରାମା ଦେଖିଲେ ସବୁ ପ୍ରଥମ ସିନ୍ ଦେଖିଲା ବେଳେ, ପ୍ରଥମ ଦୃଶ୍ୟ ଦେଖିଲା ବେଳେ ତମକୁ ଜଣା ପଡ଼େ ଯେ ଏ ଗପଟା କ'ଣ ହେଇଥିବ. You can guess the story, you can guess the play, the contents of the play. So I have selected some sentences from this story of priceless gift, and these sentences can give you a lot of ideas, and there are some questions in these sentences, and when we will get answers to these questions, we can really find the meaning of priceless gift and the story. We can understand the story better. So let me read out the sentences and then we will go to what is there in this paragraph. I have just collected these sentences from your story, the first chapter, the priceless gift. At last, she asked, "Are you an Indian?" "My brother is in India. He is a soldier. We have not heard a letter from him for a long time. My mother is very worried. She is afraid something has happened to him." So, you see, once again, at last she asked, "See, are you an Indian?" "Indian. My brother is a soldier." Right? "My brother is in India. He is a soldier. We have not had a letter from him for a long time. My mother is very worried. She is afraid something has happened to him." So, who is she in this? It is she here. Where is she from? She କୋଉଠୁ ଆସିଛି, କୋଉ ଦେଶର ଲୋକ? ତା घर कोठी से झीटी किए सी हु इज सी हु इज हर मदर किए ता भाई हु इज हर मदर किए माँ हु इज दिस इंडियन that girl talking about and has something really happened to her brother ए समस्त प्रश्नर उत्तर आम एक पाइबा से झीटी किए से कौटी ता घर ता माँ किए भाई किए एवं ए सो इंडियन कथा कहते से झील से इंडियन किए एवं सतरे समथिंग रियली हैपन टू हर ब्रदर किसी घटी कि भाई क्षेत्र में सो टू गेट ऑल दिस आंसर्स टू ऑल दिस क्वेश्चंस लेट्स गो टू द स्टोरी आई एम गोइंग टू रीड I have divided the story into 7 SCPs. Mind me, what is SCP? You just see, right? The story has 4 parts. You know, the story has 4 parts, and the story writer has divided the story into 4 parts for better understanding. And I have divided again to understand better, to read easily for understanding into 7 SCPs, right? So 4 parts, 7 SGPs, sense group paragraphs, small parts. Today we will discuss part 1, SCP1 and SCP2. SCP होची sense group paragraph केते छोट छोट paragraph लेके गोटे sense गोटे अर्थ थिबा गोटे मेन आईडिया थिबा paragraph टे बा दुईटी तीनोटी paragraph गोटे थोर एकाथर के पढिबा जादर के हम सुविधा हबो राइट हम सहज रे बुझी पाइबा लेट्स गो टू द टेक्स्ट द प्राइसलेस गिफ्ट आई एम गोइंग टू रीड आउट द फर्स्ट एससीपी देन वी विल डिस्कस द प्राइसलेस गिफ्ट आई वेंट टू ए वेजिटेरियन रेस्टोरेंट इट वाज लंच टाइम देयर आर पीपल ईटिंग एंड ड्रिंकिंग द रेस्टोरेंट वाज वेरी क्राउडेड I saw that some of the chairs and tables had been pushed into a corner. I chose the corner table, seated myself, and started scanning through the newspaper. At that moment, I noticed a very young girl looking at me. Her eyes were red and they had a sad expression. As she was going out, she asked the cashier in a low voice, "Is that gentleman Indian?" "I think so," the cashier replied. The girl looked at me once more and went out. It surprised me. Why? What was the matter? Her interest in me aroused my curiosity in her. When I had finished my lunch, I asked the waiter, "Do you know the girl who was sitting out there?" "No, sir. I noticed she has lunch here on Saturdays. She comes on payday only. Perhaps she does not earn much." I was moved what he said. The curiosity about the girl persisted. Why had she inquired about me? Who was the mysterious child? I kept thinking about his striking, sad, anxious figure. Could I help her in any way? So, my dear students, this story is a nice story, good story, but a very sad story, pathetic story, right? पिलामाने एक गपटी सुंदर गपटी किंतु आरंभ शेष पर्यंत तुम देखिए जो बुझीब ए गपटी सैड स्टोरी दुखपूर्ण घटना राइट सो ये जो प्रथम एससीबी कौन कौन सब नुआ वर्ड्स अच्छे लेट्स सी न्यू वर्ड्स माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स दिस आर सम ऑफ द न्यू वर्ड्स फॉर यू आई थिंक रेस्टोरेंट scheme payday curiosity poverty stricken expression persist mysterious right so restaurant you see the picture a place where you can buy and eat a meal tame soju chaiki khaiba positive you keep money and buy your meal and eat you look at the picture the image right and the next one is scheme means to read quickly. Suppose I want to read quickly to see what is there in this book. I can just move my eyes and very quickly I will go on reading. This is skimming. So sometimes we skim the newspaper to know what are the things have been published in the newspaper today. I mean, फला फला उल्टे जेतले तरतर रे पढ़िबा कोन कोन अछि कि जानिया पे मेन पॉइंट्स कोन अछि सेटा को स्कीम कहै छै स्कीम payday there is a word payday means in foreign countries even in some of the states in our country also in a week the laborers the workers the work ସେମାନେ ସବୁ କାମ କରନ୍ତି ସପ୍ତାହର ଗୋଟିଏ ଦିନ ତାଙ୍କର ହିସାବ କରି ପଇସା ନିଅନ୍ତି ସେଟାକୁ payday ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଏ right so payday the day for getting wages ମଜୁରୀ ପାଇବାର ଦିନ ସପ୍ତାହର ଗୋଟିଏ ଦିନ ଥାଏ right curiosity strong desire to know right the writer's curiosity that means the writer wanted to know all these things poverty stricken extremely poor right very poor expression something to show one's feelings देखो पिले एक्सप्रेशन से जीओटी केते दुख रे अछि से sad expression the facial appearance or her eyes are in sad expression persist right persist means continue lagi rahiba mysterious strange adbhuta rahasyaपूर्ण right so these are some of the words which may be new to you let's discuss the recipe one I went to a vegetarian restaurant it was lunch time there are people eating and drinking. The restaurant was very crowded. I saw that some of the chairs and tables had been pushed into a corner. I chose the corner table, seated myself, and started skimming through the newspaper. At that moment, I noticed a very young girl looking at me. Her eyes were black and they had a sad expression. Right? So, my dear students, you see. You can find I. Who is I here? Anybody who can tell me? When we read a story or we read anything, when we find I, that is the writer himself. So I is the writer. So the writer went to a vegetarian restaurant. Restaurant शब्द की तुम पाई नुआ कहि सरले जो कि हमें मील खाऊ किंतु तुम जानि पारिबो गेस करि पारिबो देखो वेजिटेरियन अछि वेज नॉन वेज यू नो non-veg is meat, veg means the vegetables, panipariva, right? It was lunch time, vegetarian, eating and drinking. A word we to dekhile, tome jani paribo je restaurant ro meaning ta kon. So the writer went to a restaurant. The restaurant was very crowded. People were eating and drinking, and some of the chairs were and tables had been pushed into a corner. I chose the writer selected the corner table, seated himself and started skimming through the newspaper very quickly. He wanted to know what are the things available in the newspaper. At that moment, I noticed a very young girl. What dekhile? Na gote chiyo. Tale who are there in this part of the story? Kiye achandi? Writer, some people they are eating and a young girl, right? So as she was going out, she asked the cashier in a low voice. The girl finished for eating, went out. While he was going out, he asked the cashier who received the money, right? So the girl paid money and in a slow voice asked, "Is that gentleman an Indian?" So she wanted to know about the writer. Right? I think so. The cashier replied. The girl looked at me once more, and my dear students, the girl asked the cashier about the writer to know whether he was an Indian. And when he again looked at the writer was surprised. Why the girl is looking at me? So his curiosity, his desire, his interest to know about the girl increased. And after lunch, the writer asked the waiter about the girl. No sir, I noticed she has lunch here on Saturday. Every Saturday the girl comes, the waiter says. So waiter and cashier, these are hotel people. Cashier receives money, waiter he welcomes and helps the people, right, customers. Perhaps he does not earn much. So the waiter says, maybe the girl is very poor she comes here every Saturdays and has her lunch here. I was moved what he said, moved. That means he became very kind, sad. The curiosity about the girl persisted. Why had she inquired? The writer wanted to know what is the cause. Who was that strange girl? So the writer started thinking all this day, and you just see the SCP-1, the key ideas what we discussed. This part of SCP-1 is about the first meeting of the writer. The writer met the girl first in the hotel room. No, when we read a story, right? And what about the writer? Writer chose the corner table, started skimming through the newspaper, read the newspaper very quickly, saw the young girl, knew her question when she asked the cashier, right? And finished the lunch, eager to know more about the girl, asked the waiter. And what about the girl? The girl was very young, she was very sad, she wanted to know about the writer. She asked a question whether the writer was really an Indian or not. Looked at the writer for the second time, so writer became surprised and looked very poor because he comes on paid days, all Saturdays, and has for lunch there. So this is all about this. What is the setting? The story begins with. The story begins with the restaurant setting. That means the action takes place inside the restaurant where people eat and drink. Question number 2. My dear children, now tell me. I has been used many times. I is used many times in the text. Who is I here? I have already told you. Whenever we read a story, we read a novel. In English, we read any text. If there is I, definitely, even in a poem, the I refers to the writer himself. Question number 3. Who are the main characters or persons described here? The main characters are here the writer and this poor dad, this worker, this distressed or sad girl. Right? Where did the writer go? The writer went to a restaurant. My dear children, next question. Let us discuss this very important question. Where did the writer sit and what did he do then? Where did the writer sit? The writer sat at a table on the corner table. And what did he do then? He brought the newspaper, started skimming it. Very quickly he read to know what are the important news published that day. What was the girl like? The girl was very poor, right? The girl was very sad. Her eyes, large eyes, the poor expressions, right? That was the sign of the girl's feeling. What did the girl ask the cashier? एटी जो 7 नंबर प्रश्न टा मुझे तुमको ट्रेलर हिसाब से देखी जैसे she asked the cashier, is that gentleman an Indian? सेठी बहुत प्रश्न थिला जे who is that girl? के ता माया who is her mother? Who is her brother? What is her brother? All these things जो हमें आरंभ करते एटी जानी पाइबा. When we will know all these things, then we can understand the text better. What did the writer come to know about her from the waiter? The writer came to know from the waiter that the girl comes every Saturday on the payday and takes her lunch here. Why did the writer think of helping her? Because she was very sad and she wanted to know about the writer. So the writer wanted to know about the girl and wanted to help her. The last question, will the writer be able to meet the girl where and when? ताकू पुणी थोड़े देखिए कि लेखक काय से जानी रही गोटे रहस्यमय झील कहीं से मत मुझे जान पाऊँ किंतु देखिए कि लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट एंड सी जे झीलटा को आउथरे देखुछन ना नहीं कोड देखिए केतले देखिए एवं ताको भीतर came again. I went to the same restaurant as I entered. I saw her sitting at the same table as before. She was eating. I went off to her and took the chair opposite her. I wished her a good afternoon and then by making one brief remark after another, I was able to start a conversation. At last she asked, "Are you an Indian?" My brother is in India. He is a soldier. We have not heard a letter from him for a long time. My mother is very worried. She is afraid something has happened to him. I learned that her only guardian was her mother. She lived with her old widowed mother, Mistress Betty. I understood how she felt. I think she wanted me to see her mother, but she did not have the courage to ask me to accompany her home. We finished our lunch and got up together. As we walked, I asked her, "May I know your name?" "My name is Maggie." Comfortably, widowed. This is adjective, widow and widowed. Widowed mother means vidhava mother, right? So, my dear students, let's see what are the important things. So, the week passed Saturday again. Next, after 7 days, on that particular Saturday, the writer met the girl in that same. So, same day, same restaurant, and at the same table. And I went to her and took the chair opposite her. I wished her a good afternoon and then by making one brief remark after another, I was able to start. So the writer started conversation. And he asked at last, "Are you one?" She asked, "Are you an Indian?" You just see, I have collected these lines. My brother is in India. He is a soldier. We have not had a letter from him for a long time. My mother is very worried. Says, this is the cause of the story. Problem in the story रहुचे जे are you an Indian? जानिया कुछ हम तुम्हें भारत की. My brother is in India. He is a soldier. He has been to India to fight against the enemies. And we have not received any letter. किसी चिट्ठी पाई नहीं. मो भाई उस सैनिक से भारत को जाइए. मु जानिया कुछ हम अपन भारत लोगों की नहीं. ता विषय किसी. My mother is very worried, and we think. And my mother is worried, my mother is afraid something has happened. Whether something has happened. My dear students, I learned that her only guardian was her brother. And she lived with her old widowed mother. So his mother is Mr. Betty. I understood how she felt. And here you just see, look at the third paragraph here on the screen. We finished our lunch and got up together. As we walked, I asked her, "May I know your name?" "My name is Maggie." So the girl is Maggie. Her brother is in India, a soldier. He has been to take part in the fighting, right? And mother is very much worried. They have not received any letter. And then after lunch, we chatted pleasantly. Soon reached the bus stand. Right? So let's see the key ideas. Meeting of the writer with the girl for the second time. Second meeting. Place same restaurant. Time next Saturday. Lunch hour, same table, conversation between the writer and the girl Maggie started. And the girl's mother is Mr. Betty, brother is a soldier, no letter from him, mother is worried, and her name is Maggie. The writer understood the feeling of Maggie, the sad feeling, their situation, and started talking. Now we go to the questions. We can finish the questions and you can understand the text better. Did the writer make the girl? When and where? Yes, my dear children, the writer made the girl. Next Saturday, right? Where? In the same restaurant. What are the girl doing? When the writer saw the girl was eating. Why did he sit on the chair opposite her? The writer wanted to talk to her, to know about the girl. So the writer sat on the chair opposite her. Who started the conversation first? The writer. Who is her? Good afternoon. Oh, how do you do? How are you? Like this. What did the girl say to the writer? The girl said, "Are you an Indian? My brother is a soldier. My mother is Mr. Dethi. She is very much worried. We have not received any letter." All these things the girl said, right? So what did the writer come to know about her brother? His brother was a soldier and he was in India. Why was her mother worried? Her mother is very much worried because they have not received any letter, no information about her son. What was the name of the girl? I have already told you. The writer asked, "What is your name?" The girl said, "My name is Maggie." So the girl's name was Maggie. And next question, number 9. She usually takes the village road, but why did not she take this road that day? Every time he takes the village road. गाँव रास्ते जाए. से इतना दिन जाए से टाउन रे जाए bus stand. I have already told you. They reached the bus stand because the bridge was being repaired. There was no way through the village road. Right. So the main idea you see what we discussed today. My dear students, today we discussed part 1, 2 SCPs, SCP-1, and in SCP-1, the first meeting of the writer with the girl, writer's own experience at the restaurant, how they met about the girl, her wish to know about the writer, the girl wanted to know, the writer's curiosity, the strong desire to know about the girl, and the second thing is, the second meeting, the second SCP is the second meeting of the writer with the girl on the next Saturday, and in the same hotel, same restaurant, in the same room, at the same table. And their conversation started. They talked to each other. They became very familiar. And the writer wanted to know about the girl, and the girl said his brother is a soldier, and she was Maggie. Her mother was Mistress Betty. She was very old, weak, and worried about her son. Right? So all these things we discussed. I think you have understood the text better. In the next session we will discuss and see you. Thank you.